Has this ever happened to you? You get ready to go out. Pick up your daily essentials, get in your car, or hop on your bike, and it won't start. That's a hassle with a capital H. But what if there's a way to solve all that? A way to make sure that every time you get behind the steering wheel in the morning or after a long time in the garage, you know your car or your bike will run. That's where CTEK comes in. When it comes to keeping your battery in tip-top shape and ready to go anytime, CTEK is the brand that should be on your radar. For over 30 years, CTEK has been at the forefront of battery maintenance solutions when their founder invented the first ever automotive charger that used electronic pulse technology. Today, CTEK upholds that innovative spirit with a diverse range of products to suit every vehicle, whether it has 4 wheels or 2.
We at CTEK Philippines are driven to deliver solutions to make your motoring life easier. We offer a wide range of products that will fit any vehicle for your everyday use. Our product line includes chargers for consumer use and also chargers that are perfect for professional and workshop usage.
For most types of applications, CTEK has a range of battery maintenance solutions under the MXS product line. There's the MXS 3.8, the MXS 5.0, and the CT5 Start Stop. These chargers use sophisticated microprocessor technology to maintain 12-volt automotive batteries, optimizing the condition of the batteries and keeping them topped up. When you need to go for a drive, all you have to do is unhook and go. CTEK also offers products that make life easier, like the Comfort Connect plug, and also the CTEK bumper, and the Comfort indicator. All these make charging a lot more convenient. And there's also the CTEK Battery Sense, which allows you to monitor your battery's health using Bluetooth and an app for your smartphone. Yes, CTEK leaves no room for doubt.
When you hook up a CTEK charger to your vehicle, you don't have to worry about a thing. Our products are connect and forget, which means that you can hook it up to your vehicle and forget about it for the rest of the day. This is especially useful for times during the quarantine when we have to stay home and stay safe.
CTEK products are available at a variety of physical retailers, as well as online outlets in the Philippines. To know more, visit their Facebook page at CTEK Philippines. With CTEK's line of battery chargers and maintenance solutions, you can expect a perfect start for every drive, every single time. I'm Eric of AutoIndustriya.com. If you find this video useful, tap that thumbs up button. Also subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you don't miss any of our videos in the future. Keep charged and stay safe.